So I've got the engine off. It's mostly stripped. I just got to pull the fuel tank and the compressor off it, and then I can paint the frame. I pulled the seal off. As you can see, it's been leaking in there. I wasn't sure whether it was the main seal on the compressor or the rear main on the engine. But when I got it off, it had actually had a whole lot of, looked like part of the tarpaulin was wrapped around here, and you can see where it's been sitting and wearing away at the shaft. It's taken off the hard plated finish, and it's all polished finish there, and it's starting to rust. So this is the seal surface. It feels pretty good, and the seal in there looks really, really good. It's nice and soft. Doesn't have any hard patches on it, doesn't have any wear on it, but there was actually a piece stuck in there that had like a whole bunch of dirt and a coiled up bit of that tarpaulin, like right around there somewhere, and that was just sitting in the bottom. So I think what it was doing is it was just pushing the seal away from the shaft enough for the oil to seep out. But because the seal looks good, I'm kind of running out of time and I'm really, really short on money, I'm going to actually take the risk, and I will put that back in because the seal does feel good. It seems to have good contact on the shaft. I will take the risk, and I'm just going to give it a good clean and put it back in, and hopefully that'll deal with the problem for now. Fortunately, with these compressors, it's easy enough to get the motor off without too big a bit of issues. So I will take that chance. I'm going to put that back in. Hopefully there are no further issues with it, but I'm not too worried if I have to pull it out and replace that seal at a later stage. So that's where I'm at the moment. Just for the quick update, like I say, motor's out. I want to give it a good clean up, tidy everything up, make it look good. Interesting coupler on it. Effectively that just sticks off the front of the compressor, and that's the flywheel. So you can see those parts just slot straight into there. Nice tight fit, really simple setup. So yeah, that's where I'm at with that. I want to give that all a tidy up, and a bit better paint, and put it all back together. So it is moving along, it's just a bit slow, but I'm happy with how it's coming along.